Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to make dinner using just these three ingredients, that is macaroni, avocado, and a mix of green peas and carrots. Just that. It's very simple. So we first of all add the green peas and carrots in boiling water. Let it boil for some time. It takes around 3 minutes. So there it is. So for the avocados, we add the lemon juice. So here we are squeezing lemon so that you can just get its juice. If you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar. You can substitute with vinegar. Squeeze the lemon. Then you mix it up. So after that, we also boil the macaroni for a short period. You just boil it for around 3 minutes is enough until it's well done. Then we now add in another separate cooking. We add vegetable oil. After adding vegetable oil, let it get hot. Then we add the carrot and the green peas. Stir them gently. You just stir for 1 minute. This is a very simple recipe. We add salt. Then we add black pepper. Then you stir gently. Afterwards, we add the macaroni. Then we stir them. This is a very easy recipe. Then you let it cook for around 2 minutes only. Then you turn off the so you just mix with the avocado. Afterwards, you just mix it. Then I've added a little tomato sauce to spice it up. There goes your dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.